Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Yoswaido. In this video, I will enlighten you on the basics of frame-by-frame animation using Photoshop CC 2018. As you can see, I'm using a Macintosh operating system, but I don't think it makes any difference except for the shortkeys, in which the Macintosh operating system uses command key instead of the control key, while on the other hand, the Windows operating system makes use of the control key instead of the command key. So if you look at this section by the right here lower, you can see I have about 7 layers already. Let's have a look at each layer. This is a plain background with one color. So this is my body 1, as you see, body 1. This is my second body, body 2. This is the third body, body 3. This is my computer. This is the cashier desk, the window, and the light. So this is my product water, Yoswaido water. So you see we already have the layers. So these are the drawings that we'll be using to make this animation. Now we have to enable our timeline window, which is necessary for making a video in Photoshop CC 2018 or any Photoshop that interface is needed to make videos. So to do that, we have to go to Windows and locate our timeline. This is our timeline option. We click on it. You see it gives us the interface to make that video. As you see, create frame animation, which is the one we'll be using. There's also a video timeline. If we click on create video timeline, see, I hate this timeline. Like, it is a bit confusing, but it is a lot simpler to accomplish tasks. As you can see, you can add tracks easily. Your videos will be here. You just have to arrange them according to the way you like it, but we are not going to make use of this interface because I hate it. So great, we'll go back to our frame animation. We'll click on create animation. You see, because I did not enable my first layer, that is why it is blank. If I enable it, you see this is my first layer. This is first layer, layer 0. This is the first layer. So we have to click on shift key, press the shift key and click on the rest of the layers. Then we'll click on this button here. So if you click on it, you will see new frame, copy frame, make frames from layers, flatten frames, create whatever, and the rest of the options. So click on make frames from layers. So now you see all our layers are here in this on timeline. So our sub layers are here. So as you can see, this is the background. It's supposed to be on all the other layers. So to do that, we have to press on the shift key, click on the rest of the layers, then we'll click on this icon, we'll click on it again, I button, sorry, rather. We see now we have our background on all the other layers, so we don't need this one. We can go ahead. If to delete the frame, don't make use of the back key or backspace key. Make use of this button here, because if you make use of the back key, you end up deleting a layer here instead of here. So we have to make use of this button here. If you click on it, you see delete frame, yes. So now we don't have it, and automatically the second layer has changed to our first layer. So now we see this is our cashier desk. It's supposed to be on all the other layers, so we have to follow the same procedure. We press on our shift key, click on the rest of the layers, then we'll click on our cashier desk. Now we see we have it on all the other layers. So now we can go ahead and click delete our desk, since we have it on all the other layers. So this is the water product. I think it should apply to all other layers too. So go and do the same thing, press on shift key, then click on all other layers, then press on your water. Now we have it on all the other layers, so we can go ahead and delete this frame. Yes, this is our computer. It should also be on all other layers, so go ahead, do the same thing. Yes, now we'll see we have our computer on all the other layers, so we can go ahead and delete this one. Now we have the basic three layers that we'll be using for this animation. Like you see, if I go through it, you can see the changes it makes. So this thing, you have to be patient in making this animation, because like a 1 minute video would take about let me say about 15 to 20 to 30. It depends on what you want to do, but a 1 minute animation can take up to 30 images. So you see, if you click on this play button, it gives a preview through our animations, but it's very fast. So we can click on shift key, then if you press on shift key and click through all the other layers you see on there, this, if you click on this button here, this 0 second, you can see no delay, 0.1 second to this is our delay. Like let's click on half a second, let's see. So now you see it is previewing our video slowly. 1 2 3, about it's about half a second. So if you want to make it stay longer, we'll click on 1 second. You can make the first interface to be like 2 seconds, let's see. So this will give you time to say what you have to say. As you see, the my body is not full. Like this one there's mouth, there's mouth, this one there's no mouth. So I intend to make this one. So in our next tutorial we'll use this one to lip sync the video. So I'll catch you up on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.